How to scan QR code on iPhone. Scanning a QR code on an iPhone is super easy, and here is how to do it. All you have to do is swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen to open Control Center. It is for iOS 12 and later. If you are using the version iOS 11, then swipe from the bottom right corner of your iPhone screen to open Control Center. Now, once inside the Control Center, you will get to see the QR code reader icon, which looks like a QR code. Now all you have to do is point the camera at the QR code and it will automatically scan and show the link. But if you cannot find this option, then all you have to do is go back to the control center again. Now once inside the control center, long press on the blank area. Then you will get to see plus add control center option available. Tap on the add. Now from there, tap on the scan now scanner. If you do not find the options available here, then tap on the search address bar and search for the scan now and set it on your control panel. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.